Now we're going to use the wired jute twine from Dollar Tree, pencil, probably scissors, a button, some craft paper, black magic marker, and your glue gun. First thing I'm going to do for this ornament is take and wind it around this pencil. That way it is consistent and my wire stays intact. Whenever you're using the wired jute twine, it's real important to, once you cut this, you want to wind the end with some Scotch tape, and then that way it doesn't come unraveled, making this rustic candy cane ornament. This could also be considered a primitive candy cane ornament. It could also be considered a woodland ornament. If you have dog nail clippers, a subscriber and very committed viewer, I thank her very much, Miss Jennifer, thank you. She recommends using dog nail clippers. Now what I'm going to do is take some Scotch tape and wrap that in because I don't want it to ravel. So we're going to slide this off, and of course you'll just kind of pull on it, stretch it out. So I'm going to take my jute twine and I'm going to wrap it around my hand.
Begin winding your jute twine around your hand till you get the density and size that you like. Tie it in the center to create a bow. Leave the tails on it long so you'll have a way to attach it to your candy cane, and of course attach your tag onto it. Using some craft paper, cut you out a strip, fold it in half, and pierce a hole up top where the string can be ran through. Before you write anything on it, make sure that you wad it up in your hand to make it soft and tattered, just like that vintage rustic ornament feel. Once you've written your word on it, go ahead and tie your jute twine bow to your candy cane, slide your tag onto it, and then use a little bit of hot melt glue to glue your button into the center of it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe. This is week number 2 of our 15-week quick Christmas ornament, and that way you will not miss a thing. Be sure to read all comments and suggestions from my DIY community. They make great advice, give great suggestions. Till our next quick craft ornament, this is Elizabeth, over and out. Bye guys.